Hello everyone, this is Ray from Babco. We're going to talk about adapters here on a two-post lift. Of course you have these extending arms, and these lifts come with a screw-up adapter. The 10AP certainly does. It has a bit of a D here, so you have to make sure you're engaged with that. There's two stages to this. It offers you quite a lot of rise. The reason for that is, of course, trying to get up into your lifting points. You can't always do that. Therefore, you have to use adapters. These will go in place. Now you've already got that. Then you can also spin up. If you have to, especially with trucks, you go to a longer adapter. And when in the case of a truck, this is called a frame cradle. This is important for frame vehicles. It's even mentioned in the ALI documents on the, or warning rather, on the lift. This surrounds the frame. So much safer than just a rubber pad. So, but you can't use this on cars and on pinch points on unibody. Very simple. Line it up with that and save yourself some